Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to speed ramp in DaVinci Resolve. Speed ramping is a fantastic editing technique that lets you smoothly transition between normal speed and fast motion within a single clip, creating dramatic and dynamic effects that can really elevate your video projects. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you've got it running, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several workspace options. Click on Edit to switch to the editing workspace. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll have access to the timeline and editing tools you need for this technique. Now that you're in the editing workspace, locate your video clip on the timeline. Right-click on this clip, and from the menu that appears, select Retime Controls. This option is essential because it activates the speed adjustment handles on your clip, giving you precise control over how fast or slow different sections of your footage play. You'll notice a small percentage indicator appears at the bottom of your clip. This is your speed control interface. Next, you need to decide where you want your speed ramp to begin. Adjust the playhead or timeline indicator to the exact point where you want the speed change to start. Once you've positioned it correctly, look at the bottom of your video clip and find the arrow down icon beside 100%. Click on this arrow and select Add Speed Point. This creates a marker that tells DaVinci Resolve exactly where the speed transition should begin. Now move the playhead to where you want the speed ramp to end. This defines the section of your clip that will have the altered speed. Once you've positioned it, click the arrow down beside 100% again and select Add Speed Point. You've now created the boundaries for your speed ramp section. Here's where things get interesting. Between the start and end points you just created, you'll see another 100% indicator at the bottom of your clip. Click on it and select Change Speed from the options. This allows you to adjust how fast this section plays. For a dramatic speed ramp, you might want to increase it to something like 400%, which makes that section play 4 times faster than normal. Feel free to experiment with different percentages to find what works best for your creative vision. Now, go ahead and play your video clip from start to finish. You'll see that your footage now has a smooth speed ramp, transitioning from normal speed into fast motion and back again. This technique is perfect for action sequences, emphasizing specific moments, or adding stylistic flair to your edits. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.